the humble chicken, descendant of the dinosaurs. Despite millions of years of evolution, killer instinct runs through their blood. Among them, however, walks something even more sinister. Their rival, the duck. Along with its mate, these ducks wake up every day with a choice. And every day, they choose violence. The ducks take as they please, and the chickens are forced to take what they can. The dog, guardian of her realm. She seeks some sort of entertainment. She longs to explore the other side, but the fence was put in place to maintain balance between the two worlds. That will be an adventure for another day. Or perhaps that day is closer than she thought. The ducks immediately go on the hunt for exotic cuisine. The chickens do some exploring of their own. Meanwhile, the dog begins to pick up a scent that piques her interest. Whatever it isn't here. A duck egg, and one of the ducks has sensed the danger. She's too late, and can now only mourn the loss of her egg. Well, actually it seems like she's unbothered by the loss of her egg. And just like that ends another day in the backyard. Everything returns to its place, and balance is restored.